How about an Aperol Spritz? Again, very tasty. I've had these in Italy, in Venice. Great place to go and enjoy them. I will always recommend go to Venice, spend some time there, get lost in the city streets. So our Aperol Spritz, we're gonna do in a champagne flute. Aperol, this is our bitter tangerine liqueur, very low in alcohol concentration, so you can really enjoy it any time of the day. Maybe not for breakfast, but afternoon ends up being fantastic. So we're just gonna go with an ounce of our Aperol here. It's gonna be very sweet and very syrupy. We end up going with sparkling wine. We're not gonna go all the way up to the top. We're gonna go about 2/3 of the way, and we're gonna add in some soda water in order to just give it a little bit extra of a spritz in there. So finish it off with an orange rind. You can go and just kind of jam that right in the side there. We have an Aperol Spritz.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.